Hello internet family, I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. Today we're going to be making a 3D printed fishing lure. Okay guys, before I get the 3D printed lure inside the water, I need a backup plan in case it doesn't work. So I'm gonna head up here to the Ebony General in Virginia, and we're gonna grab some worms real quickly. This will give you a chance to it's gonna give me a chance to give you an insight on a little bit of Virginia culture. Maybe we'll meet someone along the way. So let's head to Ebony General. It's coming up here on the left-hand side. Just a regular earth.
Hi, buddy. Good to see you, man.
What are better?
I mean, most of the people around here, they use the night crawler.
Okay, I'll do the night crawler. Can I get a case that's not cracked? Is that possible? No.
All right, bud.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a good.
So, okay, maybe not. Let's make this. Also, I'm in a really good fishing spot right now, so maybe this is a great place to catch a fish because I'm like spotting multiple, all types of sizes of fish, and I'm in around 5 feet of water. It's kind of later in the morning because, you know, remember, I'm not that big of a fishing guy, so I probably fish at the wrong time, but so here we go. All right, folks, let me show you. I'm in Fusion 360. Let me show you how to create this 3D lure. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is create some profile sketches inside of Fusion 360. This happens by using the sketch tool under spline, fit spline, and I'm just going to kind of draw some shapes here. You can see here that I can draw a fish quite nicely. Okay, so this is kind of a unique fish. Let's go here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so that shows you that fish. So once you draw the fish, what you want to do is then grab your, and I'm going to go under create, let's go to loft, and so it says this is that is the rail 1 and rail 2. I gotta just do create loft, and let's do rail 1. That's profile 1. And now let's go to profile 2. There we go, and then hit OK. And so that lofts your body there, and you can see that the more you do that, the more you get the actual surface that you need. So lofting is your answer, and then once it's all done, you can have your fish here, and then you can set that up to 3D print, and then add the pins and stuff like that. Again, this file that is available on Thingiverse, thank you to its creator. I just want to show you that you can make your own. I plan on making a much smaller one than this because I honestly thought this was a little too big for the water, and I'm going to be changing the colors in the next video, and I am going to be creating a much smaller one and potentially taking out this the pivot that's here in the center right here because it was just a little too much action. So stay tuned for the next video. These things are pretty cool. Like I said, this is one of my favorite ones. I don't know what this is called, but these power baits are good because they have a scent to them, I believe. These are called a fire tiger, and then the hook is covered up. If you look at the hook, that hook is covered up, so those actually swim too. But the whole point of this video is to do a 3D printed lure, so wish I knew how to use this is a tackle beacon. Light sticks are highly visible, lightweight, and non-corrosive. So these has a light stick on that. I just remember I followed this guy at Walmart and just loaded up my cart with a bunch of stuff he wanted. Guess I should be more diligent about. I think I'm gonna try one of these here next. So even though that this case here is good, I feel like there's just not enough room in it. And I wish I knew how to make these fluorescent beads work. I guess I gotta Google some stuff. And then these here, bobber stop. So that this allows the bobber to move back and forth. So you put that there and it slips it and you tighten it down. Easy bobber stoppers. Okay, so now I'm looking for a weight that, what's cool about this, ready rigs are interesting. I thought I tried one of those. Oh, here we go. This is a split shot. This will prevent the this thing from slipping down and be able to take the weight. Let this dive a little deeper. There we go. So now I got that, and then something going on with this. Holy crap. My thing never went through my eyelet, so I got to redo all this. That was part of the problem here. I got to just take all this off. So I didn't go through my eyelet there, the last eyelet, which is awesome. Now we slip on that. I'm not sure if this goes this way or towards the bait. Does it go, if you know in the comments, does this pointy end go towards the bait? So I imagine if it's thrown into the water, it wants to drop this way, so I'm going to point it towards the bait. Now don't laugh at me how I tie this because I don't know how to tie a knot, fishing knot. I'm gonna catch something with this 3D lure. Now I gotta do one of these slip shots. I think people got fishing all wrong. It's just really nice to be out in this water. I'm probably gonna get video demonetized because the music's in the background. Okay. Remember, let's go ahead and throw this in. This is one of the lures that I always catch stuff with. Just nasty it. I'm gonna use this because I already have. This is by far one of my favorite baits. I don't know what that's called, but it's like something I had since I bought in like a stupid little kit in Walmart, but. Now, I don't know whether or not I need a weight on this or not, but I'm going to put the weight. Here's my tackle box. I took that big old tackle box I had with multiple drawers and I went down to just this. So that's pretty much it. Well, that's a lie because I have this bag of stuff that doesn't fit. So maybe I need to not take everything with me and also not put stupid things in there like a whistle. Like, why do I need a whistle inside of there? So I'm thinking maybe I need a weight, some glide weight or some weight that slides down so that this is going to be slightly buoyant, so something that pulls that down. So here is and then I have these. Went to Walmart and this guy was filling a bunch of stuff up in his cart and he put, maybe eventually I'll know what I'm doing. He put these in this cart, which I like. They're called bobber stoppers. So I think that they easy on, easy off. Slotted sleeves now are mistake proof. Our slotted sleeves can be discarded either way on either slot. Oh, so there's a sleeve. I don't know. Okay, I'm like starting to get closer to this. I'm like going up against the shore here. I'm not getting this done. So I would like something that stopped that weight, but I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this weight on here. Like going up against the shoreline. There's like jet skiers. Like, this is like the worst time to do test my 3D printed bait, you know? I just want to see if this lure works. Ugh. Going up against the trees, man. Saw a big old black snake on work yesterday. I don't like snakes, but I think black snakes eat other snakes, so I'm happy with black snakes. So I'm putting this slide weight on first, and now I'm putting my 3D printed lure on. You can download this file below. can make this out of wood. You could make it out of, I saw a guy on the internet made 3D printing learn out of a hot glue gun. You can also go to Walmart and just buy some. I'm being attacked by these trees. What am I doing? So here's, oh, what the? So this is what I'm thinking. It comes, if this weights it down, maybe it should have done backwards. I don't know. This is my favorite lure, by the way, this little guy. I don't know what it is. Why aren't I just fishing with that? I don't know. So here we go. Because I guess this video is about a 3D printed lure. Right? So it's Memorial Day. Oh, by the way, here's the 3D print off of the printer. Here. That's what's called a raft. That basically is a... Ah! Bug! That's a raft. Here's the tail. All right. So... Okay, now we're good. I'm gonna close up my tackle box. I'm gonna actually put this in the water for a second. I have these cool things on this FishPro that let me snap these into this back rig. Get it. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get a bobber. I like this fishing spots. Remember, this is my favorite. All right, so now I'm gonna close up a little tackle box. These are my favorite players here. Not my favorite ones, the only ones I have. And of course, in case the 3D lure doesn't work, I got this frog. I still can't figure out how to set those. Like people tuck it back under. You know of a good video that knows how to tuck that hook back under so it's doesn't get stuck in the weeds. Let me know that. I hope you didn't come here for fishing tips. I make things in my garage. Okay, so here we are. I'm in the middle of the woods. Okay, let's take... Okay, so here's the lure. And then here's where I am in the middle of this. I'm over at 1.9 feet of water. So I need to get out of here. All right. Backing it up. There's my lure out, stuck on the tree. Stuck on the tree over there. Looks like so we're in about 5 feet of water here. I got 2 rods going. I got a backup worm, but the 3D lure is out there. So hopefully we'll be able to snag things in, but I gotta slowly bring it in to show the swim action. Okay, so far no luck on this 3D printed lure.
thinking I should have printed a lot smaller one, which I'll do next time. But I still got to see if I can catch anything. So I'm going to cast it back and forth over to that way here. Here we go. So it's gotten good swim action. I'm wondering if a catfish can out. We're at 24 feet of water here. And that thing that I just cast in there did not have enough weight. So I'm gonna put another one of those split shots on, like this one here. Big fish down below. You can tell that there's a potential big catfish. I guess what I'm doing is trying to figure out whether or not there's anything out here at all. This water is 21 feet deep. That's pretty deep. Yes. Time to use the 3D. It's time to use the 3D lure. This is the most ridiculous little fishing rod in the world, and it's all rusted out. This is not the fishing lure I wanted to try my 3D lure on. Put it another way, it doesn't help anything. This little rod is got an inferior complex.